Guys, welcome to my channel. So how to download Gigabyte motherboard driver? So you have to come this website www.gigabyte.com. Then you can see the search button. Then enter model number of your motherboard. Then hit enter. Now this is searching, and then click go to the product. You can see 4H10M HV2. Click on this. For this open, then click to support. So guys, first select the operating system, Windows 10, 11, both installations process same. So no worry about that. So see first audio driver, then click to download. It is start downloading. It is completed, just single click to open. Double click to open this folder. Now find out the setup. So this is setup.exe. Just double click to open and then click to yes. So guys, this in this my system coming this issue. If I use this motherboard, didn't come to this error. Okay, and just click OK. See, find out, open this folder. After that, go find the setup, and just you have to double click. After that, ask for administrators for launch, and then click to yes. Okay. Chipset driver. So this one try to install. Just click to download. Complete, then click and double click to save. This is setup chipset exe. Double click, then click to yes for installation. Next, accept, install, and then okay, and then close it. See, LAN. So Realtek LAN, and click to download and start downloading. Just it is completed, then single click to open. Double click to exe, then click to yes. then this is automatically closed, means this is installed. VGA, Intel VGA driver, and click to download. So this is completed. Then just open this and double click to launch. This is exe. Click to yes. Now this is extracting to your system for the installations. So now this is installing. So wait few seconds, it will complete. So and automatically close it. This is installed like that, and then close. And thank you so